Hello, it's me, Jeanette, and today we're going to take a look in my fridge. But first, let's look at the outside. Ooh, I'm always in the reflection. And there's our pet birthdays. Some weird things. Okay. And the side. Some people were like, oh my gosh, what a mess. Look at all those magnets. Okay, so let's look inside. This is a refrigerator. We just went shopping recently. And we got a variety of things. Healthy and not so healthy. Nice teas in the back. Eggs. Cauliflower, oh my, and just a whole pile of food. Our last home chefs, because we're not going to be ordering that anymore. Yogurt, ding dongs, fruit cups, donuts, and here's the produce drawer. Yeah, nice produce, huh? This is our stuff with salads and stuff. This is stuff for the guinea pig. Guinea pigs. Oops. Let's see. And then lettuce for salads. Ding dongs again. Kit Kats that Chris got from youth group. Cucumbers. Cheeses. Some that are molding probably. More. Oh, we already showed that. Tomatoes. More tomatoes. Cat vaccines, whole bunch of cheese and lunch meat and hot dogs, bacon, Velveeta cheese for Adrian because she can't have the real cheese. And then let's see, let's get a picture of it back here so you can see the full thing. And on the sides, sodas. Hershey syrup, mustard, sodas. And look at this, it's just a whole bunch of stuff over here. Butter and sour cream, Chick-fil-A sauces, jelly, and whatever's in this bag, crackers, saltines. Let's see, let's check the freezer now. And this is what's in our freezer. All kinds of things. French fries, mashed potatoes, shrimp, breakfast stuff. So I guess that's about it. Oh, and it's sticky right here. That needs to be cleaned. There's our water spout. Our thing can dispense nuts. See? Sometimes if we push this, nuts will come out. You know, nuts and bolts. Oh, here's our measurement cheat sheet. Okay, so that's about it. Let me see. Can you see the top of the fridge? I can't see up there, so I'm just going to put the camera. I'm sure it's dirty, even though we haven't had this refrigerator that long. Look behind there. I've cleaned this out before, but yeah, gets a lot of cat hair and stuff behind there. And look, and I guess Adrian has been doing her job right, because look at that corner. Let's see, under the fridge. Cat toys and all kinds of weird stuff. Okay, and nothing really over here. Okay, so that's a tour of my refrigerator. If you like this kind of video, give us a thumbs up. And if you have not already, for more of this weirdness, please subscribe to us. Thank you. Bye.